Let me show you how to make the best Instant Pot hard-boiled eggs. This recipe is from my Best Instant Pot Recipes ebook that is now available to purchase on my website Leelalicious.com. Find the link in the description below. Start by adding 1 cup of water to your pressure cooker and then add a trivet or steaming basket. Now add your eggs. You can cook as little as 1 egg at a time or as many as you can fit in a single layer. Then close the pressure cooker lid and seal the pressure valve. Now we're going to set the pressure cooker to cook on low pressure for 11 minutes. I find that cooking eggs on low pressure produces a perfect yolk texture and non-chalky egg whites. While the eggs are cooking in the pressure cooker, get a large bowl with an ice bath ready. As soon as the timer is up, quick release the pressure. Once the pin drops, open the lid and use some tongs to immediately transfer the eggs from the pressure cooker to the ice bath. This will stop the eggs from cooking any further. Give the eggs a couple of minutes to cool down, then you can peel them. Let me show you how easily the peel removes from pressure cooked or steamed eggs. Just break the shell on the counter and now you can see how easily the shell removes in just 2-3 large pieces. This is because we essentially steam the eggs in the pressure cooker. Steam cooking causes the membrane to shrink away from the shell and that's why it becomes so easy to peel after. There you go, see how fast that was and perfect. Oops, just a little bit left here. And now let's check on the inside. There you go. You see the perfect egg yolk texture, no black rings, and the whites are firm but not chalky or rubbery. I love to serve this with just some everything bagel seasoning. I'm linking my homemade version below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. And if you like this recipe, I know you will also love the other 35 recipes in my thoroughly tested Best Instant Pot Recipes e-cookbook. Find the link to the book and for more information in the description below. And I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.